Okay, we'll see. We hit liquidity right here. Could get an inversion set up. My biggest thing is what will price do right here. I'm not too worried about. This is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock could easily just be a continuation play. So we're probably going to go in there with some micros. That's not going to kill the account because that's 60 points. I'm not. I'm not trying to risk 60 points just to keep it a buck. I like to see it break this high first, if anything. We'll see. I want to see if this gets broken. I want to. My biggest fear is entering too early and getting in right here, then I get hurt. So I want to see what happens within this price range and see what price will give us around this time. I don't want to chase price, but I want to make sure that this will actually be your real reversal because entering right here will be dangerous because price could easily come back down and hurt you unless you're having the tightest stop, like literally right here. So it's just about being careful with that. What price doing? So we'll see. If it inverses this, it's 5 minute. I'm like, okay, maybe we do got us a reversal setup coming. But it really depends on if it breaks this or not. If it doesn't, then I'm not looking to take that. No, honestly, yeah, I think price is still going. Price is still going down, bro. There's no reason. There ain't no reason to put yourself at risk. No reason to put yourself at risk, bro. Now, like this, I don't want this fair value gap to get traded back into. And if it does, as long as it doesn't hit that 50% of that. But look at that. That's exactly why. You get caught in the crossfire of that happening. But that's a perfect sweat. You can take that. Perfect turtle soup. Now it depends what happens right here. That's the biggest risk though, because this long wick doesn't always mean we're seeing price reject, because price can easily turn around on us. I want to see what happens. If we close above this, I'll take another entry, but it really just depends on how we play right here. I think I may have over leveraged this 175. Yeah, maybe have overset it. I might close a little bit early, just depending on if it doesn't break this with momentum and it comes back in down. Yeah, we'll see. How much is that? 175. I hate when I'm trying to do math. Hold on. Point 0.5 times 175. Multiply that by 5. What is that? 430? Okay. Yeah, that's a tough loss. if it does come back down. We'll see. We'll see what it does. I'm gonna hold you. Mm. Probably right setup, wrong time. Let's see. Yeah, right setup, wrong time. We'll close that early. I'll be fine taking that loss right there. Biggest thing is this. I told you that. I was actually more concerned about this right here. But the way how it's rejecting, it's just like, okay. But I'm not too confident in it. Let's see what happens here. Give it a couple more minutes. But it's not closing. If it closes below this, I'll be like, okay. Which, right here, this has been a more ideal trade. Would have been this. But I'm not about to just re-enter off of that. I'm going to give myself some time. Because that's what happens a lot of the times is you take a trade, you lose. What? I got 300 to lose, so till we break even on the account. But like I said, you get lost in the sauce. 5 minute whole time was just a retest. That's why I said that you gotta make sure you're looking at the higher time frame because you will get lost in the sauce, bro. It happens. It happens to everybody. But I am still just the way how it's reacting off of this. I like it. So we might take this play again. Yeah, I knew it was gonna go. I want to see. Don't get too comfortable. I want to see this inversion fair value gap get flipped. Once this inversion fair value gap gets flipped, I'm way more confident. Way more confident to take that trade. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Honestly, oh yeah. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. I don't think price is coming back down, but that is a lot of ticks, bro. For what's the name? That's you see how you got these clean lows. Lows is being protected. So you can base your trade off of that, right? These lows are being protected. I want to see what the rest of this macro will do. If it continues to protect this low, then we can play that trade. But it's just, I want to see this get broken. Once this gets broken, this inversion, you can honestly sell here as well. So like right here, if this breaks through, you can sell this low right here. I'm trading that inversion. Now the goal is for this low, for this fair value gap to not get traded back into. So we shall see. Now coming back in, if it does hold, if this low does hold, this fair value gap does hold, I'll place another five lots in there. But I want to see what happens. Another 40 points, so that's 500 right there, pretty much, almost 500. Now, if there's SMT, if there was SMT, I'd be worried. But this thing is acting stupid. I hate ES, bro. ES be acting like they don't wanna tell you the truth, boy. I'm telling you. So price is lowering, which is good. Now, I don't necessarily know how low we're gonna go necessarily, but what I'm hoping for is if we can get us another entry, another fair value gap entry. Price kind of took off. Now, sometimes I'll do this a little bit too early, but I don't think price is coming back. We'll see. Price comes back up to this high, then I'll be worried. So I'm gonna sell again. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yep. Let that play out, baby. Come on. Yeah, y'all not about to do me like that, boy. I might take off. We might take us 5 off the clock. I ain't gonna cap to you, just to secure some profit. Depends. Let's see what happens. But every time that I've done this, I'm just trying to play it smart. I want to hold this for as long as I can. I'll take it. I'll take that any day of the week. Any day of the week. Honestly, I'll take it. I'll take it any day of the week, bro. Any day of the week, dog. Any day of the week. Oh, man. Any day of the week. And then we'll just trade. What's the name? I'll take that dub, bro. I'll take that dub. The first one was a loss, 100%. But we double traded that. I'll take that, bro. A nice, 80 points? Pretty much. 70, 80 points right on the dot. So, inversion fair value gap entry, sexy trade. I'll take it. I'll close out. First trade was a loss, but that's why you want to give yourself time, reevaluate, and get back in the market once you feel a lot more confident. I had the confluence to go lower. We protected this 5 minute fair value gap. Once I seen it wasn't pushing these highs, we also had this breakaway fair value gap, and just all this momentum going lower. I was way more confident taking in this trade, even double lot in this mug. So going in with a 10 lot. So I'm happy about this setup. That was a good setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that.